Hello, my name is Jason TRIANA. I am 24 years old. I study National University Open of Distance. This is experience of trip. My trip started in the town of Talento, where I met a traditional girly troupe. Then they made me portrait in the characters in the central part. Um, at the end of the day, we returned to Salento Rosa de Cabal, where I could enjoy the thermal water and the biological of the diversity. It's very nice. Um, mm, attraction, attraction mechanical is very nice. Good. Um, Next recommendation: visit the tradition shop of Talento, relax in the hot springs, enjoy the music of the place, reading are the attraction of the park. Mm, Advice relate to what people should or should not do in the place. 1. Do not forget to bring a coat umbrella. Do not exhaust the time in the thermal. Wear comfortable clothes. Throw the garbage in the corresponding. Arrive early. Enjoy in the activities. Thank you.